Hello students, I think you all are well. We don't have any other option but to go for online teaching. So I'm here, your Sushmita ma'am, to explain you chapter 1 of economics, that is development. Already I have sent you so many videos along with the worksheets, along with the assignments. I think you have done the worksheets and the assignments in your notebook. And obviously when the school reopens, I'm going to check all that. All the question answers, everything has been given already to you. But I thought why not to explain it by myself. So here I am in the screen. You can see the NCERT book chapter 1 of economics, that is development, that is already open. Now first let me explain what is development. Development means what? It means progress. It means upliftment. Suppose you are in a state, and from the state, suppose you are in class 10th, you are scoring in any subject, suppose out of 30 only 20, and in the next test you are able to score more than 20, suppose it is 22, suppose it is 25. So that means you have developed. That means to uplift yourself from your present state of study, from your present state of existence. That is called development. Now what is development in economic terms? When we are talking about development in economic terms, we are talking about individual development, we are talking about national development. Now we will start the chapter with the theme of individual development. Now this is the chapter development, first page. Let's move to the next page, second page. We have started already the individual development. Individual development means what? Development of different individuals, development of different persons in respect of their different goals of achievement. Now different individuals have different goals. Just look at this table. Developmental goals of different categories of persons. Different categories of persons are there. It may be this landless rural laborers. See, the cursor is here. It may be the prosperous farmers from Punjab. It may be the farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. So just first look at this. Landless rural laborers. What is written over here? Development goals or aspirations. What is the meaning of the word aspirations? Means wish, want, chahat, mang. I know that I am explaining everything in English. Obviously, I will explain something in Hindi also. I will try to explain in Hindi also. Landless rural laborers. First of all, what is landless? That means the people who don't have any land of their own. Rural means what? They live in villages. So, the laborers who are not having any land of their own and they live in villages, they are known as landless rural laborers. Now, what is written over here? What is their developmental goals? What is their dream? Their dream or their developmental goals or their wish is to have more days of work and better wages. ज़्यादा दिनों का काम and ज़्यादा कमाई, ज़्यादा रोजगार. Like the present situation, all of us, we know that COVID-19 situation is prevailing all over the world, and in our country it is the landless laborers, it is the rural laborers, it is the more major problem is migrant laborers. Which problems they are facing? Joblessness. So at this moment, what is their main motto or what is their main goal or aspirations? उनकी सबसे ज्यादा इच्छा क्या है? To get work, काम मिलना, ज्यादा रोजगार मिलना. After that, see the second goal. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children. That means the local school, that means the place where they are residing in, they are able to send their children to the local school. Next is there is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the village. That means गांव में कोई social discrimination ना हो. So what is social discrimination? Discrimination means what? भेदभाव. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होनी नहीं चाहिए, भेदभाव नहीं होनी चाहिए सोशली. be it upper caste or lower caste, everybody should have the same dignity of life, same aspirations of life, same facilities of life, and they too can become the leaders in their village. The landless rural laborers dreams, we are talking about the dreams, हमारे जो इच्छा होती है उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिविजुअल गोल्स, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिविजुअल डेवलपमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज prosperous farmers from Punjab. Punjab, we already know that it is the state where green rule, already you have studied in class 9th, that green revolution was there. So obviously most of the farmers in Punjab, they are prosperous. What is the meaning of the word prosperous? Means they are having lot of money, dhani जिसको बोलते हैं. What is their developmental goal? Assured. उनकी इच्छा क्या है? Assured a high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through hard working and cheap laborers. They should be able to send their children abroad. First development goal is what? To get a higher MSP. What is MSP? Minimum support price. Already I have taught you in class 9th. What is minimum support price? I think all of you remember that one. So to get a higher minimum support price from the government. Second goal, second wish or second goal or second aspiration is what? To get cheap laborer. सब लोग क्या चाहते हैं? सस्ते में लेबर मिल जाए, अपना काम बन जाए. After that, they should be able to settle their children abroad. Most of the farmers in Punjab, their dream is to settle their children abroad. Abroad means देश के बाहर अपने बच्चों को सेटल कर देना. कोई भी गांव में जाओ पंजाब में, most of them they will say that हमारे बेटा कनाडा में है. हाँ, our children are in Canada. Our children are in USA. They are proud to say that. See the next one. For see these all tables, everything in NCERT book, they are very much important. And this is your homework. You have to fill up the table yourself. And whenever the school reopens, I am going to check each and everybody's book. These blanks should be filled. I am going to check myself. This is your homework. Farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. That means what? We are coming to the section of the farmers who don't have any irrigational facilities. सिंचाई का जिनके पास कोई मौका नहीं है, तो they depend only on rain for growing crops. So what will be their developmental goals? Their developmental goals will be to have ample irrigational facilities in their villages, to have better canals connectivity, to have better dams, better rivers in their village. Next is a rural woman from a landowning family. A rural woman, गांव की एक औरत, she is from a landowning family. That means she is having money because she belongs to a good family, landowning family. So what will be her developmental goal? Her developmental goal will be mostly to educate her girl children. To educate her girl children. It may be possible, mostly it is possible that in her family the boys, they are sent to school but not the girls. So maybe a rural woman from a landowning family, her developmental goal will be to educate her girl children, will be to make her girl children self-dependent. Next is urban unemployed youth. Urban means what? City. A person is called living in an urban area when he is living in a city. So urban unemployed. Unemployed means what? जिसके पास कोई काम ना हो. Youth means एक young man या युवा जिसको बोला जाता है. तो urban unemployed youth. What will be his developmental goal? Obviously to get a good job. Next, a boy from a rich urban family. Rich मतलब धनी, urban family शहर में रहने वाले एक बॉय, उसका डेवलपमेंटल गोल क्या होगा? वो बिलोंग्स टू अ rich urban family. Obviously to have better facilities of life, maybe to have a luxurious car, maybe to have luxurious mobile, and so many facilities are there. Next, a girl from a rich urban family. Now we're talking about a girl from a rich urban family. See, it is already filled up. What will be the developmental goal? She gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad, obviously. Just a few seconds back, I was talking about the rural woman from a landowning family. What will be her developmental goal? Mostly in India, it is seen that there is gender discrimination. Girls are not given the same facilities as the boys' counterparts are getting. So obviously, a girl from a rich urban family, she may want the same facility, the same freedom which her brother is enjoying. She may also want to study abroad. She may want to pursue the dream which her brother is pursuing. उसको भी वही आजादी चाहिए जो उसके भाई को मिल रहा है. Next, an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. It is the last. Narmada Valley Adivasi. Already we know that the Narmada issue. A dam issue is going on. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ था? Dam. To construct the dam, the lands of the Narmada Valley residents, they were taken, and they made agitations regarding this because their lands were taken and they were running in difficulty. So what will be the developmental goal? You can write over here, to get a better rehabilitation, to get what is the meaning of the word rehabilitation? Rehabilitation means फिर से जीने के लिए जो जगह देना है, उनको रहने के लिए जगह देना है, to give better facilities of roads, transportation, communications, to give better facilities of hospitals, to give better facilities of schools and all that. So anything you can write over here. It doesn't matter whatever you are writing. What matters, you should understand the point and you should fill up. First you will fill up the columns, or you can say these blank spaces with pencil. First you will fill up with blank pencils, and then you will submit this to me when the school reopens, and I'll check that. Okay. So we have completed this page. This is, I think, page number 4. Yes. Now let's move to the next page. Page number 5. We are here. Income and other goals. Before income and other goals, see here, one heading is there. Different, see, in block letters it is written, different persons can have different developmental goals, and 2, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other. First is what? Different persons can have different developmental goal. That means अलग-अलग लोगों का अलग-अलग developmental goal होता है, which already I have discussed in this table. I think it is now clear to you. Next, come to this second point. What may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may be destructive for the other. किसी के लिए जो डेवलपमेंट है, दूसरों के लिए वो डेवलपमेंट नहीं भी हो सकता है. दूसरों के लिए हो सकता है वो डिस्ट्रक्टिव हो जाए. डिस्ट्रक्टिव मतलब जिसको बोला जाता है विनाशकारी, जिसको बोला जाता है. कैसे? Some examples are here in this paragraph only. Every answers you will get in your NCERT book only, and you will follow only NCERT book. I am very strict regarding this. You have to follow only NCERT book. Each and every line of the NCERT book, that is very much important. Each and every table of NCERT book, that is very much important. Each and every paragraph, each and every diagram of the NCERT book is also very much important. See, a girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Her brother may not like this. This is in context of this bold letters. What is the point? Already we have told that Gender discrimination is there in our country. In the same family, the freedom which a boy is enjoying, the girl, she may not enjoy the same freedom. So the girl, she may want that her brother does the same household work which she is doing, or she may also want that she gets as much freedom as her brother is enjoying. But her brother may not like this. Her brother may not be willing to render his help in the household work. वो भी ये हो सकता है वो घर के काम में हाथ ना बटाए, जो मोस्टली होता है. तो डेवलपमेंटल गोल गर्ल के लिए क्या हो गया कि उसकी भाई उसके काम में हाथ बटाए, लेकिन उसके भाई के लिए ये क्या हो गया, डिस्ट्रक्टिव हो गया. डिस्ट्रक्टिव नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ना पसंद हो गया, उसको ये करना पसंद नहीं है. Let's come to the second example. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams. Already we know that hydroelectricity we get from dams, by constructed dams. But when we construct dams, then the lands of those area will be taken by the government, and this may submerge the land. So, and this may disrupt the lives of the people who are displaced. जिनकी जमीन उस डैम के कारण ले लिया जा रहा है, उनकी लाइफ का क्या होगा. तो ये हो सकता है जहां पे डैम बनाया जा रहा हो, जिनकी जमीन के ऊपर वो डैम बनाया जा रहा हो, वो ये इसको पसंद ना करे. इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट डैम बनाना चाहता है, क्यों, या डैम तैयार हो ये चाहता है, क्यों, so that he can get the benefit of hydroelectricity. But it may be disruptive, it may be destructive for the people whose lands are being taken to construct the dams. So, today I have taught you up to this point. I think whatever I have taught you, that is clear to you. You go through the already this NCERT content already sent to you. Tomorrow I am going to start with income and other goals. Whatever I have taught you until this point, before the income and other goals, go through it properly. Go through the question answers. Up to this, some question answers already are there in the assignments which I have sent to you. Already are there in the notebook which I have sent to you. Go through the assignments, learn the question answers, and learn whatever, watch my video, learn whatever I have taught you up to this one. To irrigate their land, it may even be destructive for the other. Up to this picture, you have to study today. Today, this is your work, and tomorrow we are going to start from income and other goals. Thank you.